ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अयुन् ऋलुक् एओङ् ऐऔच् अयवरट् लन् न्यामाङाटनम्
ञालाम्
जभै
जबै
घटदश्
घटदश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश्
खपचठथ चटतौ
चटतौ
कपै
कपै
चषसर् हल् तुगविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
तुरशानां मूर्धा
मूर्धा
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
दन्ताः
पूपू उपध्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ न्यामाङानानां नासिका च एतयोः कण्ठतालु ओदौ तोगो कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
ऊर्ध्वतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
पकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
मकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते
रामं रमेशं भजे
रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः
रामेणाभिहिता निशाचरचमूः
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरम्
रामान्नास्ति परायणतरम्
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
ओ राम मामुत्तरा
ओ राम मामुत्तर
Let us continue with the exercise number 39. We know what a Kriya Padam is. Kriya Padam meaning you have seen noun forms, simple noun forms, and Kriya Padam, verbal forms. Now, we will use the same Kriya Padam. You will see some more Kriya Padams will be introduced. Now you have to identify from this picture, by seeing the picture, what action and what Kriya Padam is. So the knowledge of Kriya Padam is important. Without Kriya Padam, there is no sentence. Even if there is only one Kriya Padam and no other subject also, it is a sentence. Because Kriya Padam will bring in the subject. Because we saw Patami, when I say Aham is understood. Patasi, don't misunderstood. Patanti, it is Prathama Purusha Bhagavachan, many people, word may be, whether it is te or taha or Napumsakalinga also tani or ramaha, ramaha, anybody. It is understood. It's a padam, it's a vakyam. Ekating vakyam. One Kriya Padam also is a sentence. And Asti Bhavati, we saw this. If this is not in a sentence, we can always supply. So they are also Kriya Padam. All these Kriya Padams are derived from the Dhatu, called, in English we call verbal root. From verbal root, verbal forms are derived by adding suffixes, pratyayas. From a noun base, we derive a noun form by adding suffixes. And the suffixes added to the dhatu to derive a Kriya Padam are called ting suffixes, ting pratyayas. That is why I said eka ting vakyam. What is ting and all we will see later. what we say thing is, show you what is thing. Ekating Vakyam. These are the thing pratyas. Tipti taha anti, si taha ta, ni vaha maha. This is for the parasmay paridhatu. Dhatus are of two types. Based on pratyas it can take. It takes parasmay padi pratyaya. Then they are called parasmay padi dhatus. And parasmay padi pratyas suffixes are ti taha anti, si taha ta, ni vaha maha. And dhatus which can take atmanepadi pratyas, which we have not seen, we will see later. In this book, it is not covered now, but I will introduce later. Te, ate, ante, se, ate, te, ye, vahe, vahe. So 9 pratyas for parasmepadi and 9 pratyas for atmanepadi. Together 18 pratyas. These are called ting pratyaya. Ting pratyaha. Lataha is, lat means the present tense. It's a technical word. Lataha, present tense. So we are learning only present tense. Present tense is a past tense, is a future tense. And in Sanskritam we have 10 lakaras, that is 10 senses and moods. So it's a big thing in Sanskritam. Not like in other language here. Sanskritam we have. But anyway, we are going to first learn only present tense, simple one. So these 18 pratyas are called ting pratyas. Pratyaya meaning suffix, that you must know. Similarly, the pratyas added to. Okay, these are the 18 pratyas. Tip tasji, sip tasta, bip pasmas, ta atam ja, thas atam tam, it vahi vahi. Starting from ti, ending up to the last one, the Atmanepadi, Uttama Purusha Bhagavachanam, Mahing is the last one. You can see my cursor, Mahing, Nakara. So starting from ti, ending up to Nakara. So ti, Nakara, ting, that is called ting pratyaya. These are called ting pratyaya. These are the original pratyaya. These are the original pratyaya. But for the sentence, the original pratyas take the form ti taha ti, si taha ta. This is what we know. Originally it was like this. Originally the pratyas were tip tasji, sip tasta, mit pasmas, ta atanja, thas atantam, it vahi vahi. For present tense, the pratyas has taken these forms. Similarly, for different tenses and moods from the original pratyaya, the rupam of the pratyas will change. Or this is some additional information. You can just know this is what it is. This is how it is in Sanskritam. So when you say ting pratyaya means is starting from ti up to nakara, ting pratyaya. Similarly, supratyas, shabda, the shabda we derive the noun forms, padam. Adding these pratyas, su out jas, out shas, ta bhyam this. It has got 8 into 3, 24. Because the Shabda has got 24 forms, Pratama Vibhakti, Tutiya Vibhakti, Tritiya Vibhakti. So, therefore, these are the 24 pratyas added to the Shabda. We get the Padam, Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, iti. So, these pratyas are important. These are added and we get Padam. These are added to the Prakriti. The Prakriti is Pratipadikam, then the derived one is a Padam. by adding Sut Pratyaya. If the Prakriti is Dhatu, then Ting Pratyayas are added, by which we get Kriya Padam. So ultimately, Padams are those which are used in the language. Okay, this is a general idea. So now we will try to learn more Kriya Padam and do this exercise. Vyasa 39. Deepika ji can read. Chitrani Drishtva Riktasthanani Purayantu.
Yes, Guruji.
In the action, you have to tell what Kriya Padam is.
Ayam uttishtati.
Yes.
Ramah archati. Balakah vadanti.
Balakaha Namati. This is
Namati,
rain.
sorry. Balakah namati. Nayanah khadati. Ramah prakshalayati. Eshah pibati. Sah brahmati. Balakah gachati.
Good.
Ramah snati. Ramah arohati.
Arogati means it climbs up.
Yes.
Climbing. Arogati, Avarogati. Snati takes bath. Prakshalayati washes. Ramaha Prakshalayati, he washes. Ramaha or Saha, anybody. Gachati goes, Agachati comes. The next one, Akanksha.
जी गुरुजी. छात्रः उपविशति. अर्जुनः क्रीडति. सः अवतरति.
Avatarati comes down.
Okay.
Avataranam, Avatara means descending down, coming down. That's why it's called Avatara. Here, okay. In all these words, Upavishati, Avatarati, Arohati, Prakshalayati. Here, Pra is a prefix. Kshalayati means washes. Kshalayati is washes. Pra is prefix. Like in English, we have prefix. Preoccupation. The pre is a prefix. Right? Even the word prefix itself is a prefix only. Pre. So there are prefix. In Sanskritam, they are called upasarga. They are called upasarga. So pra is upasarga. Kshalayati is washes. So pra is upasarga. Gachati goes. Adding the prefix agachati, the meaning changes. It means it comes, returns. Similarly, rohati. Rohati means grows. With a upasarga, arohati means arohanam, it climbs up. Tarati. Tarati, the meaning of the dhatu, the meaning of the kriya padam tarati is to swim, to cross over. That is the meaning. Shokam tarati atmavit. Upanishad. Atmavit shokam tarati. He crosses over dukkha. Yani crosses over dukkam. Avatarati is climbs down. That is the meaning. So meaning either modified or changes or intensified, anything is possible by upasargas. These are the prefix. So therefore, there are many upasargas. 20 odd upasargas are there. This can be added to any kriya padam and the meaning can be changed, either changed or modified, or you can intensify the meaning. All these are possible. Please read.
Yes, Guru. सः आगच्छति और सः चलति.
Yes.
बालकः प्रविशति. कृष्णः पश्यति.
Pashyati. Pravishyati, upavishati. You can see. Vishyati is the Kriya Padam. Pra upasarga, pravishyati, enters. Upa upasarga, it means sits down. You can see it here. How the meaning is changed. Vishyati being the Kriya Padam. Vishyati means enter. Upavishati means sits down. Meaning changes. Pravishati, pravishati. The meaning is same. It is enters. So, therefore, the upasarga can change. Here, which pravishati doesn't change. Prakarshena. He enters. Okay, continue.
छात्रः
Patati.
पठति. Yes, sorry. छात्रः पठति. एषः वदति. सः लिखति. बालकः निद्राति.
Nidrati, sleeps. The next person. Abhyasa 40.
Yes, Guruji. बालकः पठति, बालिका क्रीडति, तरुणः धावति, भक्तः नमति और अर्चति. गायकः गायति, नटः नटति, वानरः आरोहति.
Ataha nrityati or natati also you can say. Nrityati, dances. Okay.
Okay. नृत्यति, sorry. वानरः आरोहति, बालकः पिबति,
Kadati.
खादति, sorry, खादति, पुत्री खादति, वृद्धा पश्यति, अध्यापकः पठति, वृद्धः उत्तिष्ठति.
Upavishati.
उपविशति.
Balakaha either kadati or pashyati, whatever, or pivati. Can say anything. Okay, fine. Continue. Number 30.
जननी
Pachati. Pachati.
पचति. Okay. जननी
Pachati means pachati is cooks.
cooking.
Pachati meaning cooking.
चोरः आगच्छति.
Choraha. Listen. Choraha chorayati. It steals. Adagachati. Choraha chorayati. So you can note down. Chorayati meaning stealing.
चोरः चोरयति. यात्रिकः पिबति. धनिकः यच्छति.
Yes. Echati or dadati. Next person.
Thank you.
गुरुजी यच्छति और
Dadati.
okay, thank you.
Dadati. Now, dhyanena patantu. I'll explain this and then you can read. Balakaha namati. Boy salutes. That's namaskara. That is, the sentence can be written using the Kriya Padam karoti. Karoti is important. Karoti means does. That can be used with as a Kriya Padam, making the specific action into a noun. For example, here, Balakaha namati. Namati is the salutes he does salutation. In English also we say he salutes, he does salutation. So the salutation, that is a noun. So balakaha namanam. Namanam is the just mere the action, the salutation that he does. Karoti. So balakaha karoti. Balakaha, what does he do? Kim karoti? Namanam karoti. He does namaskara. Similarly, balakaha khadati. Suppose if it is there, khadati. You can say balakaha khadanam karoti. He does the action of eating. So any action. Dhavati, dhavanam karoti. Patati, patanam karoti. So we can do like that. So just he is showing. You can use the kriya padam karoti and make the action into a noun, using the noun for the action. Namati is equal to namanam karoti. Namanam is a noun. Dvitiya vibhakti. Namanam is Dvitiya vibhakti. Ekavachana. Like pala shabda, you can decline. Namanam can be namana is a pratipadika, can be declined. Namanam, namane, namanani can decline. So balakaha namanam karoti. Kaha karoti, balakaha karoti. And what does he do? Namanam karoti. That becomes the object of his action. Therefore, it is Dvitiya vibhakti. Namana is a pratipadika. Like pala shabda, you can decline. Namanam, namane, namanani. Namanam, namane, namanani. Namanena, namanabhyam. Namanaihi, you can decline. That is namanam karoti. Then karoti, dhatu is kru dhatu. Kriya padam is karoti. Important kriya padam karoti. So you can memorize this. You can repeat after me. Karoti, kurutaha, kurvanti.
Karoti, kurutaha, kurvanti.
Karoshi, kurutaha, kurutha.
Karoshi, kurutaha, kurutha.
Karomi, kurvaha, kurmaha.
Karomi, kurvaha, kurmaha.
So in the sentence, balakaha namanam karoti. Balakau namanam kurutaha. Balakaha namanam kurvanti. Tvam namanam karoshi.
Karoshi.
Yuvam namanam kurutha. Yuyam namanam kurutha. Aham namanam karomi. Avam namanam kurvaha. Vayam namanam kurmaha. Like what we did in the last class, different purusha, different vachanam. The same way it is possible. Anyway, you can just know this karoti, kurutaha, kurvanti. You need to memorize. You can note this. Important. Kru dhatu is an important dhatu. Kru means doing, action. From that only the word karma, kriya, everything comes. Bhajagovindam, Bhajagovindam, Govindam, Bhajagodamate, Samprapte Sannigite Kale, Negi Negi Rakshati, Dukring Karane. There, Shankaracharya mentioned Dukring. Dukring is a dhatu. Dhatu artha is Karane. Dukring Karane. Dukring, the dhatu, it is there, the dhatu pata, written by Panini Maharishi, and the meaning of the dhatu is Karane, doing. So by that Bhashyakara, Shankaracharya says, karma will not give you moksha. Nahi nahi rakshati. Karma na rakshati. Then what rakshati? Jnanam eva rakshati. That is why Vedanta Patanam is important. So that is what the meaning. There, the point is that Dukring, the Kru dhatu is mentioned. That is, this dhatu is Kru dhatu. From that only, this karoti. The Veda Purva Bhaga is called Karma Kanda, full of karma, action. That is what is mentioned by the Vashikara, Shankaracharya, Dukring Karane. Karma Kanda will not give you moksha. It will give dharma, artha, kama, purushartha, na moksha purushartha. For that, one has to grow up to come to Vedanta. That is the meaning. But many people, they wrongly interpret, saying that Dukring Karane, it is Vyakaranam. So grammar is of no use. That is, how they interpret, that is wrong. That is not the meaning. Grammar, Vyakaranam, language is important. Then only any text can be studied. If language is not there, grammar is not there, then how will you study Upanishad, Gita, or any text? That Bhajavamindam, the shloka seems to be simple, but it is misinterpreted. Everywhere this misinterpretation is there. So one has to know where the misinterpretation, how to understand the meaning. Anyway, so the point is, he himself mentions Kru, Karane, the Dhatu, he mentions. So Kru Dhatu is very important Dhatu. So in this example, you can see how it is used. He is using only Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam, but we can use other Purusha Vachanam also. So now, Parulji, you can read 5 sentences.
Balakah namati. Balakah namanam karoti. So I have to do the
Not
reversion.
required. Not
No.
required. You can just read.
Balakah smarati. Balakah smaran karoti. Balakah brahmati.
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 Not Brahmati. Brahmati. Brahmati.
Brahmati. Balakah brahmanam
That's a,
karoti.
not Brahmanam. You're adding one more
Acha.
makara. It is Brahmanam. Sorry,
Brahmanam.
not Brahmanam. Brahmanam. Not Brahmanam.
Correct, sir. Brahmanam.
Brahmanam.
Karoti. Balaka roditi.
Balakaha roditi.
Balakah roditi. Balakah rodanam karoti. Balakah dhyayati. Balakah dhyanam karoti.
Okay, next person.
Balakah.
It's okay. Give the
Yes, ji.
next 5. Okay.
Balakah nindati.
Okay,
Balakah
what is 1 minute before that? The meaning you know, Namati,
Yeah,
namaskaram.
prayer, namati.
not prayer. Salutes.
Salute.
Namati is not a prayer. Prayer is a noun. Namati is salute. It's a kriya pada, action. Smarati,
Remembering,
remembers. Brahmati,
going around,
Wanders.
moving around, going around. Roditi,
crying,
Times.
dhyayati,
dhyayati, running.
Meditates.
meditates, not running.
Oh, sorry.
Dhyanam, dhyayati. Dhavati is running.
Dhyayati.
Okay, Yajna Priya, continue.
Balakah nindati. Balakah nindanam karoti.
Meaning nindati is
No.
criticizes, abuses, scolds, blames. That's the meaning. Nindanam,
Oh.
censuring. You have to note. Please
No.
have a scribbling pad and note. You can note the meaning of the Kriyapada.
Nindati means what you said, sir?
Where is Lingati?
Nindati.
Nindati,
Huh.
censuring, blaming, scolding.
Scolding. Okay.
Okay, continue.
Simmaha garjati. Simmaha garjanam karoti. Vriddaha chintayati. Vriddaha chintanam karoti. Saha shrunoti. Saha shravanam karoti. Saha snati. Saha snanam karoti.
continue, but you can complete. Another two are there.
बालकः निद्राति, बालकः निद्रां करोति, बालिका रचयति, बालिका रचनं करोति.
So garjati, roars.
रोज
That is garjanam. Chintayati,
Think.
thinks. Thinking. Chintanam karoti. Shranoti.
Listen.
It is not. It is shranoti, not shranoti. Okay. Shranoti.
शृणोति.
People read this wrongly. Shranoti. This shranoti. Shranoti. Shravanam karoti. Snati. Snanam.
Bath.
Snanam karoti. Bathing. Nidrati. Sleeps. It is not nidranam karoti. It is nidram karoti. You have to note that. Nidra is nidram karoti. Balika rachayati. Rachanam karoti.
रचयति means
Writes. Composes.
okay.
Okay. The next exercise. Bhajanam karoti. What will be the Kriya Padam? Bhajanam karoti is equal to bhajati. Bhajanam karoti. Bhajanam, bhaja is seva. Doing seva, bhajanam. Or you can say bhajanam also, just bhajan also, doing bhajan also, bhajanam only. But the here bhaja is to do seva. Bhojanam karoti is
Bhojati.
khadati, simple.
Oh.
He does bhojana means not he prepares bhojana, he eats. Adhyayanam karoti. You know the Kriya Pada. I'm not asking anything which you don't know. What is Adhyayanam karoti?
Adhyayan.
Simple Kriya Padam. Not Adhyayan. Adhyayan is not a Kriya Pada. Adhyayanam
Adhyati.
karoti. No. Patati. Simple.
Yes.
Shayanam karoti. Just now you read, take a break.
Nidrati.
Nidrati. Brahmanam karoti.
Brahmati.
Brahmati. Abhivadanam karoti.
Namati.
Very good. Namati. Abhivadanam is, it is Abhivadaye, that is, Abhivadanam is the namaskara to elderly people. Abhivadanam. Namati. Nindanam karoti.
Nindati.
Nindati. Shravanam karoti.
Shrunoti.
Shrinoti. Kirtanam karoti.
Kirtayati.
Gayati.
Gayati. Gayati or kirtayati also you can say. Mananam karoti.
Smarati.
Smarati.
Chintayati.
Chintayati.
Same. Smarati is remembers. You can tell, but Chintayati is better. Mananam. Smaranam karoti.
Smarati.
Smarati. Darshanam karoti.
Darshati.
Pashyati.
Pashyati, not darshayati. Pashyati is seeing. Darshayati is showing. What are different. So you can note this is what is given here. So you can just read this. Next person. Anupamaji.
Bhaktaha bhajanam karoti.
Next one, number 2. You can note your Kriya Padam. Bhojanam, Adhyayanam, Shayanam, Brahmana. Remember this. Bhojanam, Adhyayanam, Shayanam, Brahmana. Then do this.
Bubhukshitaha
Bhojanam.
Bhojanam karoti.
Yes. Bubhukshitaha is hungry person. Bubukshitaha bhojanam karoti. Bubukshitaha kadati. That is the meaning. Right?
Okay.
Then next one.
संशोधकः अध्ययनं करोति.
Adhyayana, not adhyayana.
अध्ययनं करोति.
Samshodhaka is the researcher, the one who does research. Samshodhaka adhyayanam karoti is patati, it studies. Next one.
रुग्णः शयनं करोति.
Yes. It means
पथिकः. Okay.
Rugnaha, the sick
Patient.
person.
Mhm.
The sick person, what does he do?
Lying down.
Shayanam karoti, that is nidrati.
निद्रति.
Next one.
पथिकः भ्रमणं करोति.
Means Patikaha is
Patika.
traveler. Yatrikaha is Tartaha. You can note all the meanings.
Okay.
So you have developed the vocabulary. Patikaha, traveler. Brahmanam karoti. That's the action of wandering, moving
Going
around.
okay.
So Brahmati. Patikaha, Brahmati. Next one. Number 6. Abhivadanam. Okay. Can read.
विनीतः अभिवादनं करोति.
Means
विनीता polite person. Or,
name of the person is Vinitaha. Vinit.
okay.
Not Vinayaha. Vinitaha. Abhivadanam karoti. What means? What does it mean?
नमति.
Namati. Yes. Next
दृष्टः. Okay.
It is not drishtaha, it is dushtaha. Subhlakshmi.
दुष्टः.
Next.
Okay.
Number 7.
दुष्टः निन्दति.
Nindanam karoti. Nindati.
निन्दनं करोति.
Geet. Next one. Read.
गीतप्रियः गायति.
Jita priyaha.
गायति.
Number not gayati. Number 8.
श्रवणं.
Number 8 you see in the screen.
श्रवणम्. Okay.
Shravanam karoti. It is shranoti. Jita priya is pullinga, napumsakalinga, strilinga.
Name of a person.
What linga is that?
स्त्रीलिङ्गः.
Oh, really?
No. पुल्लिङ्गः.
It's a pullinga, strilinga. Tell one thing.
पुल्लिङ्ग.
If it is strilinga, it should be Gita Priya, not Gita Priyaha. Gita Priyaha is the one who loves the song. So it's a name. It could be the name of the person, or it could be referring to the person. But nobody will have Gita Priyaha. Priya ending with Priya, nobody will have the name. It's only for women. Women only they have name Priya. Therefore, this could referring to the person, male person, and is referred to now as one who is a lover of songs. Gita Priyaha. It could be Ramaha, anybody. Gita Priyaha Ramaha. Rama, who is the lover of songs. Shravanam karoti, shunoti. Okay, continue.
भक्तः नमनं करोति. नमति.
Namati, okay.
पण्डितः पठति.
Bhaktaha Kirtanam karoti. Okay.
Okay.
Number 8. Number 9, sorry. Kirtanam karoti. Kirtanam is Bhaktaha bhajati. Bhaktaha Kirtanam karoti is bhajati. Or Bhaktaha, not bhajanam. Kirtanam is there. Where is bhajan? There is no bhajan here.
Songs.
Kirtanam is not song. Kirtanam need not be only song. Kirtanam is praising. Kirtanam not only song. What is song? Song is for praising. That's why it's called Kirtanam. Kirtan. It has become Kirtan, meaning song. In Kirtan, what you do? You praise Bhagavan. So Kirtanam Kirtayati, praising. That's the meaning. Okay. Kirtana means not only song. Kirtana means an action. Kirtana means action. Okay. So bhajati, you can tell. Next one, Panditaha. Number 10.
पठति
Mananam.
मननं करोति
It means what? Chintayati. That's what I said now, just now. They think. Panditaha thinks. Mananam karoti. Chintayati. Next one. Number 11.
छात्रः स्मरति
Smaranam karoti. Tell completely. Chatraha smaranam karoti is equal to Chatraha smarati.
छात्रः स्मरणं करोति छात्रः स्मरति
Okay, next one.
भक्तः नमति
Why namati always?
दर्शनं करोति दर्शति भक्तः दर्शति
Darshati. What is darshati? Just now I said it is not correct. Just darshati is not the word. Bhaktaha darshanam karoti means what? What's the meaning?
Pashyati.
Pashyati. Devotee sees. Not darshati. There is no word darshati at all. Darshayati is there. That is different. Darshayati is showing. Pashyati is seeing. Darshayati is showing. That is darshayati. That is different. That is not the Kriya Padam here. Yes, simple. Bhaktaha darshanam karoti means Bhaktaha pashyati. Number 42. Udaharananusaram vakyani rachayanto. You have to note. Pataha karoti, japaha karoti, etc. is there. Please take a snapshot of this. We are going to do with this. Deepika, you can read.
Yes. Adhyapakah patham karoti. Munivarah.
What does it mean? Patam karoti.
He is teaching. Adhyapaka, teacher is teaching.
You can take patam karoti. What is the word for teaching?
No, I think reading.
No. Pata is lesson.
Yes.
He does lesson means he teaches only. He teaches the lesson. So
Okay.
teaches is correct. But how do you say in one word? Patam karoti is equal to, maybe can you do one Kriya Padam?
Patham karoti.
शिक्षति
पठति
No, not pathati.
Not patati, not shikshati.
No.
Patati is reads, shikshati is
Yes.
learns. Adhyapaka doesn't learn. Adhyapaka makes
Teaches
other
means-
learn.
Mm,
He makes other learn.
yes.
पाठयति
Very good. That is right.
Pathayati.
Patayati.
Yes.
That's what same thing is Subbalakshmi for the previous one. Pashyati, darshayati.
Yes.
Pashyati, seeing. Darshayati is causing to see. It means what? I cause you to see means what? I show it.
Yes.
Understand the difference.
Okay, good.
Causing to, that's called causative form. Causative form. Causative verbal form. Going, causing to go. Two things are different. Reading,
Yes.
causing to read is different. Now,
Yes.
I cause you to read. Am I reading? I'm not reading. Agam na patami. But agam patayami. I make you read. It means I teach.
Right.
I make you read means what? I make you, it means I teach. That's the meaning. That's a causative.
Right.
Karoti does. I make you do. Karayati. Chalati. Chalayati. Chalati goes. Chalayati means causing to go. That is driving. Chalakaha, chalayati. All these are causative verbal forms. So patam karoti is equal to patayati, or if you want to use the word shiksh, the dhatu shikshayati, not shikshati. Patati shikshati means learns, which the students does. What does the teacher do? He makes them learn. Therefore, shikshayati, patayati. Or if another word also is that adhyayanam karoti is adhyayanam karoti, adhyapayati, teaches. So patayati or adhyapayati or shikshayati all means teaches. Okay, anyway. Second one, continue.
Yes. Munivaraha japam karoti.
Okay.
Dushtaha upahasam karoti.
So means they make fun.
Fun of it. Yeah. Fourth now. Gruhinihi.
No, panditaha.
Panditaha vadam karoti. Gruhinihi.
Panditaha vadam karoti is they argue.
Argue. Yeah. Debate.
Debate.
Gruhini satkaram karoti.
Satkara is good action.
Yes. Welcome.
So here what is patam, japam, upahasam, vadam, satkaram?
So,
What are these words?
Nouns.
now,
Very,
no, there.
yes, they are nouns.
Yes.
They are nouns. They are not verbs.
Kriya padam. Yeah.
If you take the sentence, adhyapakaha patam karoti, which is a kriya padam?
Karoti.
Karoti.
Who is a karta?
Adhyapakaha.
Karta means the doer, the subject of the sentence. The doer is adhyapaka. And what is patam?
So, object.
It's object. Now, please listen carefully. The subject of the sentence will be in Pratama Vibhakti. Adhyapaka is a Pratipadika. Like what Shabda you decline?
Rama Shabda.
Rama Shabda.
Yes.
How do you decline Rama Shabda? What is its Pratama Vibhakti?
Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha.
Similarly, Adhyapakaha, Adhyapakau, Adhyapakaha. Adhyapakaha karoti, Adhyapakau,
Kurutaha.
Kurutaha, Adhyapakaha,
Kurvanti.
Kurvanti. Now, what is this pata object? What vibhakti it would be?
Same like Adhyapakaha.
What vibhakti? Yes,
Titiya vibhakti.
Dvitiya vibhakti. That is
Yes.
important. All these are object of action. Object of action is called in Sanskritam karma. Don't think karma means that my karma, my fate. That is not a karma here. Or not the karma meaning action here. Here karma is grammar karma, grammatical karma meaning object. Understand? Karma here in grammar means object. So karta, karma. That which is karma, the object of action, will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Right?
Yeah, yes.
Now, Patam is Dvitiya Vibhakti. What Vachanam?
Ekvachanam.
Ekavachanam. How do you what is the Pratipadikam of Patam?
Patha.
Pata.
What gender is that?
Napusaklinga.
No, it is Pullinga.
Patha. Acha, like third vibhakti.
It is third Vibhakti. What third Vibhakti?
Third case, I mean.
Not third case.
No,
Why
Patam,
third?
Ramam.
Ramam is third case. Really?
Ramam, no, sorry, second case. Second.
Object will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. I said just now. I said
Dvitiya, yes.
object will be in second case. No third case. Third case we are not talked about at all.
Right.
Object will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti, second case. So how do you decline Pata? Can you decline Pata? Anybody? Pataha,
Pathau.
Pau.
Pataha, Patau,
Patau.
Pata. Like Rama Shabda only. Then Dvitiya Vibhakti,
Patham,
Patam,
Pathau,
Patau,
Pathan.
Patha. That Patam is that is what Pataha here. So Pataha is the karma. Vitya Vibhakti Ekavachana. It's a noun. So Adhyapakaha Patam Karoti. Similarly, Munivaraha Japam Karoti. I'm giving you just a clue. You can see. Pataha, Japaha, Upahasaha, Vadaha, Satkaraha, all are Pratama Vibhakti. Ekavachanam is given. Now, Karoti is giving. Pataha Karoti, you cannot say. If you say Pataha Karoti, then what will happen? Pataha becomes
will
a
become subject.
subject. It's a problem. How can Pata does? Lesson cannot do. There must be some agent, some person must be there. So, Adhyapakaha is there. Karoti. What Karoti? Pataha, you have to convert into Patam. Since it is Pataha, therefore, Pataha, Japaha, Upahasa, they are like Rama Shabda, Ramaha. Therefore, it has to be Pullinga only. It cannot be Strilinga, ruled out. It cannot be Napumsakalinga also. If it is Napumsakalinga, then it will be Patam. So, because he says Pataha, from that we can understand. It's a clue. It must be a Pullinga.
Yes.
So, from this lesson, what we have to learn is subject will be in first case, object will be in second case, karta will be in pratama vibhakti, karma will be in dvitiya vibhakti. Okay. The next part, next person can read. Is the next person?
I'm there, Guruji.
Yes, please read.
Rugnaha
Rugnaha.
Chitkaram Karoti.
Rugnaha Chitkaram. What does it mean?
Screams. I
Yes.
think.
Who is the subject? Who is the subject?
Rugnaha is the sick person.
Sick person. Yes.
Dhanikaha.
Chitkara means
Screams.
screams. Yes. Rugnaha Chitkaram Karoti. Chitkaraha, what gender, what vibhakti have you declined?
Pullinga Shabda. Prathama Vibhakti. It is like Rama Shabda.
Rama Shabda. So, Dvitiya, okay, what is in the sentence? The sentence it is?
It is Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Dvitiya, because it is karma, right?
Object, yes.
Yes. Okay. Continue. Number 7. Dhanikaha, you can note this. Anurodhaha, Tyagaha, Parishkaraha, Bhavishkaraha. Okay. Now, Dhanikaha.
Dhanikaha Anurodham Karoti.
Yes. Anurodham means, what does it, what a sentence means? Anurodham Karoti.
Anurodham distributes, Guruji.
Anurodham, Dhanikaha, request.
Okay.
Okay. Dhanikaha Anurodham Karoti. Next one. Sajjanaha, number 8. What is the word?
Sajjanaha Tyagam Karoti.
Good. Next one.
Adhyapika Parishkaram Karoti.
So, Adhyapika, here it is Strilinga. And Parishkara is?
Pullinga.
So, therefore, see, subject Adhyapika is, the word is Pullinga, therefore, Strilinga, therefore Adhyapika. Object is Parishkara, that is Pullinga, that therefore you have to decline like Rama Shabda. So, don't confuse, don't think that everything should be of the same gender, not possible. If it is there, then language itself is not possible. Subject can be any gender. Object can be any gender. Object, if it is object, it has been Dvitiya Vibhakti. That is what is important. Need not be of the same gender. If it happens to be same gender, it is okay. If it's not that is also okay. Right?
Yes.
Suppose if there are adjective to the subject or the object, adjective. Sa Adhyapika, suppose if I say, Sa Adhyapika. Sa is
Strilinga.
adjectival pronoun. Sa. Sa is an adjective to Adhyapika. Sa Adhyapika. Right? Parishkaram karoti. That sa has to be pulling Srilinga only. Adhyapika is Srilinga, therefore it has to be sa only. It cannot be saha. That is a mistake. So similarly for the object also can have an adjective possible. Then it has to match with the substantive, the visheshya, what it qualifies. Right? So here Adhyapika, Strilinga, Parishkara is Pullinga. Since it is object, therefore Parishkaram. Parishkara means what?
Teaches.
Polishing.
Polishing.
Adhyapika, teacher, polishes her students, it defines the students by teaching. Parishkaram karoti. Can say like that. Nripaha.
Bahishkaram karoti.
Bahishkaram is he bans, ostracizing the people. Bahishkaram, or he rejects. That's the meaning. Rejects. Okay. Now, already we have seen this next exercise. Kurutaha kurvanti. Kurutaha kurvanti is Kurutaha is Dvivachanam, kurvanti is Bhagavachanam. So you have to remember Karoti, Kurutaha, Kurvanti. The lesson takes you step by step slowly to the language. So you have to follow this. You have to do some homework. Homework is not something new. Just read again what has already been taught. That is itself is big thing. So Karoti, Kurutaha, Kurvanti. Reading and remembering. So Kurudhatu, Dvivachanam and Bhagavachanam forms are given. So next person can do 5 sentences. Please read. Who is the next person?
Yes, I am.
Please
Not
read.
Devaha kripam kurvanti.
You can note from the screen. Screen is Kripa is given 1, 2, 3. That is for denoting the sentences. Kurutaha kurvanti is there. You have to see the sentence, see the subject accordingly. You have to select Karoti or Kurutaha or Kurvanti. Karoti is not here, I'm just saying. Okay. Who is the subject now in this sentence?
Devaha.
What linga is that?
It is Pullinga.
Pullinga, what vachanam?
Bahuvachanam.
So Deva is the subject. And the object is there, the sentence? Is it any object is there?
Yes, kripam.
Kripa is the object.
Kripa is not.
Kripam is Dvitiya Vibhakti. Okay, another thing, all of you note. This is how we have to say. When I ask you as a subject, so what is the subject? The sentence. Deva is a subject. Deva is a subject. You have to tell the Pratipadika. Then Devaha is subject will be Prathama Vibhakti in this sentence. Subject will be Prathama Vibhakti. In this sentence, it is Bhagavachanam. You understand what I am saying? So what is the subject? You have to tell the Pratipadika. Deva is a subject. Depending on the Vachanam of the Kriya Padam, it can be Devaha or Devo or Devaha. Similarly, what is the object in the sentence? Kripa. You have to tell the Pratipadika. Because it is an object, the sentence it has to begin Dvitiya Vibhakti, Kripam. You understand?
Yes. Yes.
Devaha Kripam Kurvanti. The next sentence.
Alasaha.
Not Alasaha. Alasaha.
Okay, sorry. Alasaha nidram kurvanti.
Kurvanti. So here also same. Alasaha is Pullinga. Alasa is a Pratipadikam. Nidra is the Pratipadikam. Alasa is Karta. Therefore, Alasaha, here it is Bhagavachanam. Karta is in Prathama Vibhakti, Bhagavachanam in the sentence. Nidra is the Karma. Therefore, the sentence, it is the object. Being the object, therefore, it is Nidram. Okay. Next one, number 3.
अध्यापिकाः
अध्यापकाः
अध्यापकाः रचनां कुर्वन्ति।
Okay, continue.
भक्ताः उपासनां कुर्वन्ति।
Yes. All us you can note that Kripa, Nidra, Rachana, Upasana, they are all Strilinga. Number 5.
सज्जनाः दयां कुर्वन्ति।
Kurvanti. Next person.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please do.
समाज सेवकौ सेवां कुरुतः.
Who is the subject?
Subject is समाज सेवकौ. This is a
Who is the
द्विवचन.
subject?
समाज
Yes, who is the,
सेवक. Subject is समाज सेवकौ.
who is the
समाज
subject?
समाज सेवक.
Ah,
समाज
that is what you have to say.
समाज
Samaj,
सेवक.
not Samaj Sevaka. Samaja Sevaka. Not, this is not Hindi.
हाँ, समाज
Not-
सेवक.
Not Samaj. Samaja Sevaka.
समाज सेवक.
One word. Samaja Sevaka.
समाज सेवक.
You are saying Samaj only.
समाज समाज
Samaja Sevaka.
समाज सेवक.
Okay. And the object is
सेवाम.
Seva is the object, not Seva.
हाँ, सेवा.
You have to tell the Pratipadikam. Samaja Sevakau Sevam Kurutaha. Okay. Next sentence.
Pardon, sir. Next sentence.
Next sentence.
भिक्षकौ याचनं कुरुतः.
Yachanam.
याचनां कुरुतः.
Okay. Continue.
अर्चकौ पूजनं कुरुतः.
Why Pujanam? What is there that you are making into Ditya Vibhakti? What is that? Number 8.
पूजा अर्चकौ. That is a द्विवचन.
That's okay. Read. Complete the sentence. Archakau.
पूजनं.
Why Pujanam? Where is Pujanam?
पूजनं. पूजनं. पूजनं.
Where is Pujanam?
Puja. It is puja, no? So we have to
Pujam.
pujam.
Pujam karoti. That is what you are doing. Yachanam karoti. Pujam. Everywhere it is done same way. Trupam, Nidram, Rachanam, Upasanam, Dayam, Sevam, Yachanam. Why Pujanam here now suddenly?
हाँ, पूजनम.
Not Pujanam.
Pujam.
Pujam karoti. Pujanam,
Puja.
that is over. Already the previous exercise is over. It is a different exercise where he is introducing the object.
Object. Yes.
Pujam karoti. How do you define puja? Like what shabda?
Puja is pujaha, pujo, pujaha.
Oh, okay. This is difficult. You have to work. Okay. I have taught this before. Anybody, how do you decline this?
Rama Shabda.
Rama Shabdavat.
हाँ, Rama.
Puja, puje, pujaha. You have to connect with Rama Shabda.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we cannot go again back to the same. You have to
Yes. Puja, Rama. That is a
make the
striling.
class move forward. Yes.
Striling. That's why we have to do.
How
Pujam.
can be pujaha? There is no word pujaha at all. Okay, anyway, continue. You have to work. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'm not going to tell further. You have to work. Yes.
Bhikshakau.
Hmm.
Pratiksham kurutah.
Yatrikau, not Bhikshakau. Yatrikau. Yatrikau number 9.
Okay. Yatrikau. Pratiksham. Pratiksham.
Prati. First you have to read Sanskrit. Reading itself, the problem is Pratiksham kurutaha. Ucharanam, Dirga, Rasva, all these things are important. Okay. That is the beauty of the language.
Yes, sir.
Then Alasau.
Alasau upeksham kurutah.
Kurutaha. First request to all of you. First make your reading proper. Don't bring in the influence of your mother tongue. That is that too much there in many of your reading. That you have to practice. So any language you read, study, you have to become that language speaker. to be careful when it is influenced by your mother tongue. This is the problem with all the people. In general, I have seen Tamil speakers will have problem. They will bring in, they got only 2 letters. I mean, not even 2, only 1 letter is there. For ka, only ka is there. For cha, chavarga, only 1 letter cha is there. Ka, cha, ta, tha, pa, that's all. In Sanskritam, 4 kakara. Hard consonant, soft consonant. Tamil also it is there, vallinam, idaginam, melinam. But since ka is there, only 1 ka. So everywhere we use ka, it's a problem. Sometimes we say ga. Sanskritam, it is not like that. It is specific. Different sounds are there in Tamil. And Sanskritam, we have different letter for different sounds. In Hindi, what the problem is, they cut the vowel. Even the vowel is there in between, you cut it. That is how Hindi. And the Sanskritam, it is not like that. It is as it is written, without any modification. You have to read as it is. Samaja Sevaka means Samaja Sevaka only. You cannot cut the vowel A, which is there in Ja, Samaja. So these are all basic things. You should not do mistakes. Even the basic things. Basics have to be very strong. We have given a strong foundation basis. If you still do mistakes in basics, I cannot go back and correct. You have to work on that. One has to do effort. Conscious effort. It's not that's a thing. Conscious effort is important. Not just any the effort which are which is not conscious. You have to do very conscious effort. Make sure that it is understood and read properly. This you have to do it. It's important. At least for me, Sanskrit Ucharanam is very important. So you work on that. Okay. Then second thing is Shabdas, whatever we learned, you need to remember. These are the building blocks for the language. Building blocks already are there. Now you have to assemble and develop the language. So development of the language requires a basic things, very strong basic foundation. Already you have enough, more than 50 classes over. It is enough. Now you have to build on that. You need to go back and forth. Please do that. Okay. So let us move forward. I'm going to move forward from the next class. So you have to go, just follow me, right? We'll stop here. We'll see. Continue the next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
Dhanyavad.
धन्यवाद
धन्यवाद
Dhanyavad Guru.
धन्यवाद
It is Dhanyavadaha, not Dhanyavad. Dhanyavad is Hindi. Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavada is also not correct. Dhanyavadaha with Visarga it has to be there. Dhanyavadam, if you say that is also not correct. Okay. Dhanyavada, Vadaha, it has to be. So it is like Pullinga, Ramashabdavat. Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवादः
Aham Dhanyosmi otherwise. Okay. Any.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.